So the final demo for creating ad images, I'm going to be looking at a few of the dedicated software products out there, which are all online products. They do have a small fee attached to them, and the fee varies from product to product, but I'm going to look at 3 products specifically. The 3 products are T-Ad Master, Springly, and T-Shirt Ad Builder. And those links you see on the screen there are shortcut links that will take you straight to those products. But don't worry about writing them down. Just go to the iostrats.com/TEEMM and get your resources PDF. And of course, all the links, including these 3, are going to be in there for the whole course. So let's have a quick look at the sales pages and the videos for these 3 products to give you an idea of whether any of them would be suitable for you. So the first one I've got here is T-Shirt Ad Builder, which as you can see from the video there, we'll play a little bit of the video in a second, but they've got a whole stack of different T-shirt designs there. There's a button there to get it. It tells you choose a template, edit the template, upload the artwork. There's a couple of samples. So they've got their nice click here buttons, prices, Buckeyes fan, click here, that sort of thing. There's a sample of a stack of the buttons and whatnot that you can put on there. Yeah, they've got a risk-free guarantee. And the good thing about this one as well is if you use the link that I've given you, that the iostrats/T-Shirt Ad Builder, I've managed to work out a great discount on this product for you. It's normally $97 a month, and we've got it down to $7 a month. So dirt cheap. And let's just play a few seconds of the video there.
Maybe the border I want to make red. Maybe I want to make it a little bit larger, a little bit thicker. I can do that as well. Okay? So everything is edible. What if I don't like this shirt? Hey, no problem. I double click the shirt. I decide I want to go with a different color. Maybe I want to do the darker one here, maybe a dark blue. So we'll select that. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's it. Now we can export the new file if we want, or I'll show you another way as well. There is another thing you can do. You can actually clone projects.
So anyway, shoot over to the T-Shirt Ad Builder site using that link I gave you. Watch the whole video. Definitely worth a look. The second product is T-Ad Master. I really like this one. It is a little bit more expensive, but does really slick designs for you. So here's a few examples again. It's not going to let me zoom in on that. But how about I'll show you a chunk of his video. Fast forward to the spot where he starts
showing.
Let
me show you what I mean. T-Ad Master provides you with more than 50 carefully designed, conversion-optimized templates. Just choose the one you want, paste your Teespring campaign URL, and it will not only load your images into the designer, but also it will automatically clean the white backgrounds of your t-shirt images. Isn't this a huge time saver? You just then drag and drop your campaign images into the template just like this and click on the download button. Boom, that's it. We created a Facebook ad banner in less than a minute, which is at least 10 times faster than if you do it in any other graphics editing program. For me, it was taking about 10 to 20 minutes to do it in Adobe Photoshop, and that considering that I'm an advanced Photoshop user. But T-Ad Master is
pretty cool, hey? I quite like that. So the fact that you can just put in your Teespring URL and it pulls the images out, takes the white backgrounds off the shirt, does all that automatically for you. It's really cool. They've got some really nice elements there as well for your special offers and discounts and whatnot. And their charge is $97 for a full year. They do have a monthly offering as well of $27 a month, $57 for 6 months. But if you got the $100 handy, then $97 for the whole year, which works out to about $12 a month. So no, it's less than that. Anyway, it's actually a similar price to the other one. So that's definitely worth a look as well. What you'll notice as well is all these designs are actually pretty similar to what you saw on Fiverr there. So I think you're going to find that most of those designers on Fiverr that are making money selling these ads $5 a piece are using this sort of software and paying $7 or $8 a month for the subscription, and they can create as many designs as they like really quickly. You saw how easy it is to whip these up. So if you want a bit of extra money on the side, you could certainly sign up to Fiverr as a seller and start doing that too. Anyway, the third product is Springly. This is just a one-off cost. It's not a monthly subscription fee. $47. It was $97. We've got that down to $47 for you if you come through the link that I've given you there. And we'll just play a bit of his video too, if it's going to play.
I'm just going to type in Seahawks, and I'm going to let Springly pull back these shirts. It's going to pull back all the different styles as well as the different color shirts that are available for that campaign. Now I'm going to go over to my templates, and I can either select one of the 17 existing templates in Springly, or I can select from the templates I built myself using Springly. And I'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. For now, I'm going to go ahead and not work with Springly. You can upload them right into the software, and you can either use pictures of yourself or friends like I have here, or pictures of products. I'll go more upload my own backgrounds that Springly will save for future use. I can use a solid color background. For example, I could go all red or all green maybe. Or I could use a gradient, and I could go from, say, red to black. In this example, I am going to use a $39.95 price tag. I'm going to make it green. You see here there's a library where you can upload your own. You can upload it to the software. You can go over to text. You can write your text out. Show text. Make it any color you want, any size you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. I'm going to pull this box over. It's the standard size 1200 by 628 or 627, I believe. And there it is. It's ready to go. Now, maybe I just love...
So you can see there, that's pretty cool. Nice and easy to do a really nicely customized Facebook ad there. Easy to drop in your backgrounds and your badges and buttons and everything. And as I said before, if you wanted to make a bit of extra money on the side, you can jump into Fiverr and start doing designs for other people. Yeah, I certainly think these things are worth the investment. And this one here, just being a one-off cost of $47 as well, all the other ones working out to about that $7 or $8 a month. If you're going to start paying people on Fiverr to do ads for you at $5 a pop, you're much better off buying a bit of software like this to do it for you. And the time saving as well. I mean, I've been doing all my ads on Canva. I hadn't really had a good look into these products until now that I've sat down and started putting this course together for you. And I think from now, I'm not going to waste my time with Canva and Photoshop anymore either. I'm just going to spend a couple of bucks and get onto one of these too. So that's it for the demos. So there's those links again. iistrats.com/tadmaster, Springly, or T-shirt ad builder, and those will take you straight to the three particular products, and with the discounts that I'd organised for you there, to get that the T-Ad-Master down to $7, and the $97 per year for T-Ad-Master. Anyway, go to them. The discounts might change over time, but these links will definitely have the right coupon codes embedded in them to get you the best possible prices. And of course, make sure to get the resources PDF file as well, from iistrats.com/TEEMM. And that's about it for creating an advert image. Now we're going to jump into the next section, which will be going back into Facebook and setting up the advertising campaign for you.